Hello, I am Dr. Tejas Kamal, and today I'll be talking to you regarding COVID-19. So, as we all know, COVID-19 is here with us to stay for at least for a few more months. And as we get into this unlock mode, it is very important for us to identify and protect those who are likely to get severe illness and at risk of mortality. So, first important point is, remember, almost 80% of those who are infected with COVID are likely to be asymptomatic or either have mild illness. So what I mean by mild illness, they'll have just some temperature, some fever and cough or dry cough or cold. So that's it. They will recover fully without any complications. That's the best part of it. And they will go home as soon as maybe around 7 to 10 days what it takes to for complete cure. Now, only around 15% of the patients are likely to get slightly severe illness in the sense they get pneumonia or they get some chest involvement. And around 5% of the patients, if suppose 100 are infected, 5 will get critical illness and they might have to be shifted to an intensive care unit. So the second point is, now we have to understand who are these people who are likely to get a severe critical illness. So the most important factor that determines severity of infection is the age. Those who are above 65 or 70 years of age, they are likely to get more severe illness. And second are the comorbid conditions. For example, somebody has uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled blood pressure, heart problems, somebody who has undergone a bypass surgery, or kidney problems, somebody who is already on dialysis, chest problems like asthma, and patients who have cancer who are taking chemotherapy. Now you must have heard that children have died, somebody who is 30 have died. Remember, they all have one of these comorbid conditions. If somebody doesn't have all these comorbid conditions and get infected, there are high chances that it will be only a mild infection. So the third part is, we have to understand what precautions have to be taken by these people to protect themselves. First and most important, those who are elderly and have comorbid conditions, they should remain at their home and not venture outside unless until absolutely essential. Keep your diabetes and blood pressure under control. You may do home monitoring of blood glucose and your blood pressure. Keep your weight under control. Regular physical activity is very important to boost immunity. Those who are obese have also been shown to have severe infections. Have a good balanced, proper nutritious diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Adequate hydration, drink at least 2 liters of water every day. You may do all the home remedies like your kadas, your Ayurvedic homeopathic medicines, gargling, steam inhalation. And the last but most important point is, if you have minor symptoms like fever, cough or fatigue, please go out and immediately get yourself tested. Because we have seen in the last few days that many people are hesitant to test because so many rumors and other things in their mind. My request is, please go out because it's absolutely essential that we protect others who might be coming in contact with you. So it's important that you get tested and find out whether it is COVID or not. Thank you. Dev Varai.